Hello everyone. Today I am posting a video of the unboxing of the Frankford Wet Tumbler Platinum. I got this so I could polish some brass for some memorial ceremonies that we do on Fort Bragg, one of our chapels there, just so we can give something nice and clean to hand to the family after a memorial ceremony for a fallen service member. So with that, I ordered this off of Amazon. I'll post a link in the description for the specific one that I bought. But I saw a lot of people on there that was saying that, you know, the stainless steel media that goes inside the wet tumbler to polish the brass along with the cleaner, that it didn't come with any of that. Some people said it did, some people said it didn't. Some people said unless you buy the Platinum Edition, then that's the only way you would get the additional items with that purchase. So this is the Platinum version. I've already unboxed it just to make sure everything is in order and also has everything it's supposed to have. And with that, I will continue on with the unboxing. So this is the box that it came in from Amazon. This right here is where the shipping label was. So of course, you know, I took that off because I don't want to advertise my address to everybody on YouTube and also Amazon. So this is the box that comes in. So it's the main box, as you can see here, inside this other box. So I mean, it's well protected as far as being boxed up. Flip this over. Okay. Move that out of the way. Turn this back over for you guys. So as you can see here, it is the Platinum Series Frankford Arsenal Reloading Tools Rotary Tumbler Kit. So this is the wet tumbler, and the reason I got this one is, you know, before this I was hand polishing all the brass that we give to the families. So in this case, I'm doing it to where I can do large quantities at one time, and also once I finish polishing all the brass that I receive, then I was going to distribute that brass out to the other chapels to where if they do ceremonies at their own individual chapels, they can have something to give to the families there as well. So basically spread the love as much as we can, make sure those families walk away with something nice. Okay, so inside this box, it's very well protected. This is the drum here. You can just pull this piece right out. And it's got two pieces of protective cardboard on either side of it, so you can discard those. And then already installed on this is the clear tops. And also on the inside, if you didn't see it already, let me take this off, take that out. And inside here is the stainless steel polishing media. So again, this is the Platinum Series, so it does in fact come with the stainless steel media. The other reviews that I found said that this bag is plenty. Even if this thing is completely full of brass, this amount of media is just fine. So I'll put that aside. Again, the other clear top is on the other side here. Reach down inside, pull out some more stuff, and there's the motor. So this one here, it did come with, let's see how big this bag. This is a 2 ounce bag of the Frankford Arsenal cleaner that they include with this. This is just a promo really, so people can get a feel for how the media works or how the cleaning solution works. That way you actually buy their bottle of it. But for me, I found some other stuff on YouTube that actually show you like mixtures you can make from just normal household cleaning products. So I'm gonna use that once this has been emptied. So I'll put that off to the side. And also here is the strainers for once you actually finish polishing the brass. To me, they look, yeah, they're both the exact same, because you would put these on either side. That way you can empty one side to begin with, then you could take the other side off and put on the strainer on both sides. That way you can run water through your brass and actually fully clean all the solution off of the brass after it's been cleaned. So it comes with those two. Of course, your user manual here. And then let me pull out the motor and just store the box. And here's the motor for the Frankford Arsenal Platinum Series Rotary Tumbler, and this is the wet series. Can make sure I mention that. So basically you would put your brass in here. First you put your clear top on there, screw it down, and then of course you would put your brass on here with this thing fully loaded. Once you turn it on, it goes from 30 minutes to an hour to 2 hours to 3 hours, and then it has some other tick marks in between if you want to customize it for a different time. So haven't used this thing yet, but I've watched enough videos about it to where I'm pretty excited to actually get it, and save me a lot of time so I'm not actually hand polishing all this brass for families myself. So with that, I hope this helps you guys on Amazon and even YouTube that may buy this item, that you can see what it comes with, so you know for sure that the Platinum Series does come with all the media you need to get started. If you have any other questions, please comment, subscribe. And as always, it's a pleasure to serve you all.